Assalamualaikum. Today our group going to present about question number 4 in chapter 6, Annuity. This is our group member. Member 1 is Nur Safiah Nabila, member 2 is Kutrun Nur Nadia, and member 3 is Hani Nur Iman. And lastly, our member is Alisha Zohara.
Mira borrowed Rm 18,000 to upgrade her influencer setup, new camera, lights, and editing software. The interest is 9% compounded monthly over 5 years.
Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Safiah Nabila and today I'll be presenting about the monthly payment that Mira needs to pay. So, from the animation, we know that Mira borrowed 18,000 ringgit. The interest rate is 9%, so K equals to 0.09. She plans to repay the loan over 5 years, which is our T. Since the interest is compounded monthly, M equals to 12. So, the total number of payment N is 12 times 5, which gives us 60 months. Next, we calculate the monthly interest rate I by dividing the annual rate by 12. That gives us 0.09 divided by 12, which equals to 0.0075. Okay, so she wants to borrow 18,000 ringgit to upgrade her influencer setup. But she cannot pay all at once, so she takes a loan and plans to pay it monthly for 5 years. In order to find out how much she needs to pay every month, we use this formula. Don't worry about all the symbols, it just helps us to calculate monthly payment when there's interest involved. Here's what we know, she borrows 18,000 ringgit and the loan is for 5 years, which is 60 months. The interest rate is 9% per year, so monthly 0.09 divided by 12. So, after putting everything in the formula and calculate, the number will pop up as R equals to 373 ringgit and 65 cents. So basically, if she borrows 18,000 ringgit, she has to pay around 373 ringgit and 65 cents every month. Simple as that. And that already includes the interest. That's all from me. Thank you.
Alright, now let's look at how much extra money Mira had to pay to the bank. Not just the monthly payments, but the total interest over the loan. The equation used in this question is I equal to NR minus A, which is I is the total interest paid, N is the number of payment, R is the monthly repayments, and A is the money borrowed. So here how it works. We take the number of payment, which is the 60 month, and multiply it by the monthly payment, which is RM373.65. That gives us a total of 22419 paid to the bank over 5 years. Then we subtract with the original loan amount, which is RM18000. So what left is RM4419. The total interest paid. That is the money that the bank earned from lending Mira RM18,000.
Now, let's say she missed her first 2 payments because she was still waiting for her first YouTube sponsorship to come through. The question is, how much does she owe in the 3rd month when she finally starts paying? So, to find out how much she owes now, we use this formula. We plug in 373.65 is her monthly payment, interest is 0.09 divided by 12 equal to 0.0075, which is her monthly rate. She missed 3 payments, so the N is equal to 3. After calculating, the total she has to pay in month 3 is 1129.39 ringgit Malaysia. That's more than just 3 payments because of the added interest.
It gets verified and she wants to settle her loan. So we need to know her current balance. 3 years have gone and now only 2 years left. Next, she still needs to pay her loan monthly, so M equals to 12. And we need to find her new N, which is how many times that she needs to pay more in 2 years. So N equals to MT, M equals to 12, and T equals to 2 years. So 24 times more that she needs to pay in 2 years. Next, to find A, we use the formula to find A, where we replace the R with 373 and 65 cents, where R is her monthly payment, and we replace the I, which is her periodic interest, where I is 0.09 over 12, and we replace her new N, which is 24. So her total balance is 81,078 and 88 cents. Lastly, now Mira knows all the details about her loan. Mira's case shows how annuity works in real life. She borrowed 18,000 ringgit and pays it back in fixed monthly amounts for 5 years. But when she missed 2 payments, the unpaid amount grew with interest and she needs to pay more than usual. This shows how annuities help people manage big costs through smaller payments, but only if they stay committed to pay on time. And that's all from us.